Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of August in the year 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The ETF is currently situated within the lower section of a weak rising trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $541.60 is breached, it will initially signal a slower rate of increase, but it could also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 7.45% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 7.17% to 13.27%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.28% over the coming year, with potential returns between 24.20% and 38.12%. This corresponds to a price range of $674.44 to $750.02 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The price of the SPY ETF experienced a decline of 1.42% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of August, 2024. It fell from $550.81 to $543.01. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.86%, reaching a low of $539.44 and a high of $554.87. Notably, the price has dropped in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 1.75% during this period. Although the trading volume increased by 16 million shares on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 75 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $40.470 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $565.15, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price stands 3.92% or $22.14 below the 52-week high of $565.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. In the latest developments surrounding SPY, July has witnessed an extraordinary surge in exchange-traded fund inflows, nearing record levels despite the summer lull typically seen in this sector. This influx of capital reflects investors' confidence in the market, which could positively influence SPY's price in the short term as demand increases. The S&P 500 finished July up 1.1%, a promising indicator and further evidence of the index's resilience, given its significant 16.1% year-to-date increase. However, the S&P recently faced its first back-to-back weekly declines in over 3 months, closing down 0.83%. This highlights a critical moment for investors as the market adjusts to high expectations during the ongoing earnings season. Amid rising concerns of inflation and shifting economic indicators, there has been a market rotation toward dividend stocks as investors seek stability. This trend could negatively impact SPY if investors continue to prefer income-generating assets over growth. Meanwhile, attention has shifted to sectors like real estate, with emerging opportunities in stocks such as Agree Realty and InvenTrust Properties, which could influence SPY through sector rotations. Overall, while SPY remains supported by strong inflows and a solid year-to-date performance, the current market volatility and investor focus on dividends suggest mixed prospects in the near term. Long-term investors may remain cautious as they navigate heightened valuations and economic uncertainties. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at the levels of $543.52 and $549.25. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and so far it has declined by 3.86%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average provides a buy signal from 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 6 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 182 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 171 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $541.23. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $15.43 between its high and low, representing a movement of 2.86%. Throughout the last week, the average daily volatility of the exchange-traded fund was 1.49%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $544.22. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $541.23. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? The SPY ETF currently exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend observed, we anticipate that SPY will likely show weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy recommendation to a sell suggestion since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of August, we expect SPY to open up $2.76, starting at $545.77. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.